guess where I went? I went to Walgreens. I was pretty excited. This ended up becoming another Moneymaker haul, and I went crazy over the Revlon and all my makeup because those coupons do expire, I think on Saturday or Sunday. I think Sunday. And I know I probably won't be using a lot of them on Sunday, so I'm like, I'm taking full advantage of it. So I got a bunch of stuff. The good deal I got, and somebody told me this, and I want to thank you. I forgot who told me this, but I got the Hellmann's Mayo. These are $2.99 a piece on sale. You guys want to use two $1 off coupons that we got from this past Sunday's paper. You guys would end up paying $1.99 a piece. So you guys would pay, I think, like, what, $3.98 for both of these. But then you can submit a 50-cent rebate for this one, and you can submit a 50-cent rebate for this one. And if you guys buy both of them, you guys get a 50-cent bonus, so that's $1.50 off of that. Plus, if you guys buy both of them in one transactions, you get a dollar. I can't think of it. $1 Catalina, a register reward. So the final price for the both of these after the register reward is factored in is $1.48. That basically comes out to be like 75 cents a piece, which I think is a great deal. So I'll be having, with all my eggs that I've been getting from Walmart, lots of egg salad sandwiches. So got that. This was on clearance. This was on clearance for $4.19. It was like a lot of the reds and like blacks and stuff for hair color. But this was $4.19. I used that $3 off coupon that we just got in this past, I think, Smart Source. You guys would just get this for $1.19. Now there's like, I don't know if this is a coupon. A lot of these had them on here. The discontinued ones. Dude, new. No, it's not a coupon. But, so, can't go wrong with $1.19. I ended up doing this deal with the Febreze. Now, I've had problems in the past with my coupons not coming off. What I usually put my phone number in. What I had her do is scan my card, or you can have them scan your phone. I scanned that stuff and my coupons came off. So I don't know what the heck's going on. But these were on sale for 2 for $6. There is a $1.50 off coupon for this, and there's a $1.50 off coupon for this. So make sure you guys scan the items with your app. I do have a video showing you guys how to use your app. But make sure you guys scan it to make sure, because I scanned one item and it didn't qualify for the coupon. So you guys will end up getting each of these for $1.50 after the coupon applies. So it's for the small places, and then it's for this kind of Febreze. It's not for the other one. So $1.50 each, I think, is a pretty okay deal. Now I went crazy over the Almay. So these, and I will write all 3 breakdowns for you guys. Hi, honey. These ones were $5.49, okay? What I had the cashier do first is, after all my products were scanned, I had them scan the coupons. What I end up doing is I have her scan the coupons, and at the very, very end, then I have them scan the Walgreens booklet. Yeah, those are pens. Hold on, sweetie.
Open them.
Okay, just hold on for a second. You have them scan the Walgreens booklet, and then it ends up becoming a moneymaker if you guys do it this way. So these were $5.49. You guys want to use 2 $4 off coupons, plus a $4 off a 2 coupon from the Walgreens booklet. You guys would end up getting these for a $1.02 moneymaker. So these were $5.49. The next deal we got for the Almay are the pads. These were for $5.99. I would have gotten more, but they didn't have any more left. So these were $5.99. You guys want to use 2 $4 off coupons and $4 off a 2 Walgreens booklet. you guys would end up getting this for a 2-cent moneymaker. So there's that. Benjamin, stop talking. And I ended up getting 2 more of those. And then I ended up getting the eyeshadow. These were $6.99, okay? I thought this was something new to try. So these were $6.99. You guys want to use that 4, 4, and 4 coupon. You guys would just get these for $1.98. Again, okay for a deal. I think they're kind of pretty. I mean, these are perfect for like the colors that I like to use. So we got that. Then I went crazy over the Revlon. So for the Almay, I ended up doing 2 separate transactions for that. And I also went crazy for the Revlon, and I did 2 separate transactions for that. So I got a sock. That's nice. Okay, so I ended up getting 4 of those eyeshadows that were $7.99. And then I got 4 mascaras. So these were $7.99 and $8.49. You guys want to use that buy one get one free coupon. They're also on sale for buy one get one 50% off. You guys would end up paying $3.99 for 2 of the eyeshadow and the mascara. But then you guys get 3,000 points, making the final price for this just 99 cents. Benjamin, do not touch my camera. Don't touch my camera. So you guys can also pay with points and you'll get points back. So pretty much I paid for all this stuff with points, but then I got those points right back. So yeah, so I got literally, I dropped one, but I got 8 eyeshadows and I'm dropping another one. I got 8 mascaras, everything's just falling, oh my goodness. So there was that. So if you guys add everything together, one transaction was everything, and then 4 and 4 and 4 was $16.94 after taxes. Remember, I do get an employee discount. I ended up getting $1 back for the 2 Hellmann's. I got that 50-cent bonus, plus I had a 25-cent any receipt, so that was $1.75. I ended up getting 17,000 points, and then I got that $1 register reward, so that transaction became a $1.06 moneymaker. My second transaction was 8 of the Almay, or 8 of the Revlon, and then 4 of the Almay. That came to $10.36. But then you guys would get 17,000 points back, so that came out to be $6.64. So there was that. And I also got beauty both transactions, so that was 5,000 points. So this ended up becoming a $7.70 moneymaker. Super excited about that. I went crazy over eyeshadow, which is fine because I really want to start using cream eyeshadow. I really like this stuff. So there is that. If you guys enjoyed this another moneymaker haul, give it a thumbs up. Hit that red subscribe button so I know you guys enjoyed it. And I will see you guys all later. Bye-bye.